And this is the Gulf of Mexico, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Bay St. Louis.
Bay
Gulf
St.
of
Louis,
Mexico.
Mississippi.
Yep.
Which I've never been to. We're just sitting looking out on the water, just took my socks off, my shoes off, and got into the sand, into the water. It just felt really grounded. This is the kind of things that people need to do more of, right?
Yes. Yes.
Get connected, whether it's to other people, to the earth, to themselves, mainly to themselves.
Yes.
Because once you do that, it's easy to connect with everybody else. That's where it starts.
Right. Yes. And then, you know, being out in nature helps us connect to ourselves.
Yeah. Especially something expansive as this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Looking at the birds, feeling the energy out here, it just feels freaking amazing. So get out of the house.
Yes.
Get out of your head.
Yes.
And get out in nature.